soft light of the evening glow, a vision starts to show. A pretty girl like a gentle flow.
She walks down the cobblestone lane. Her steps are like a gentle refrain. The wind plays with her golden mane. In the world she's a precious gain.
Her eyes are like the deep blue sea, holding secrets, mystery. A smile that could set the stars free. In every moment she's a spree.
She passes by the old bookstore. The pages seem to flutter more, as if they're touched by her allure, a beauty that's hard to ignore.